Hey everybody, this is Gruesome Wolf from Team Nocturnal. Just wanted to share a little video of some features that I've been working on adding to the Google Play Edition based ROMs, uh, as well as Sinless Google Play Edition base for the M8 also. And I'm sure that Jason will port that stuff to the M7. Um, but anyway, real quick, let's do a little rundown. Um, First thing I want to show you guys, well, the first thing you've probably noticed is I'm doing this as a screencast, and I have sound. So that's one new awesome feature. We've added sound, as well as it will now record in full 1080p resolution. That's thanks to our buddies at CyanogenMod. Uh, This is a ported app from the CM11S builds that you see on the 1+1 bases. Um, so thank you CyanogenMod for that. You guys are awesome. Alright, so another thing real quick. I ported over CM's Torch, which I built from source myself, and add a little flair to it. Got rid of the holo blue and made it look more Kit Kat-ish, I guess you could say. So we have that in there now, and let's see. Let's look at some of the new Team Nocturnal settings that I've been working on. Status bar options. You're gonna find some new battery icons. I know everybody loves little flavor. Everybody likes a little something different. So I tried to port in some additional battery icons for you guys. Of course, you're gonna have the standard stuff, text only. Um, you know, the CM style circle, which you can choose a color for. Any color you want will work just fine. That stuff that if you've already been running the GPE, then you already know that's there. But here's some new stuff. We have a horizontal battery. That was not in there before. That's your basic Kit Kat style, but flipped sideways for those that like that. We have a Kit Kat style honeycomb. In other words, basically a honeycomb, but white to match the Kit Kat. With Z circle, which is a fancy little kind of crone style circle, I guess. Then we have a bar graph, which is pretty neat. That has a really cool animation when it's charging, I think. And a sliding scale. This one's pretty cool. This is something different and unique. Kind of looks like the dial of an old radio. I like that one a lot. Then, of course, you still have the CM Skinny. And, of course, if you don't want a battery, well, get rid of it. Let's see. For those of you not running the ROM already, I'll give you a quick rundown of what else you can do in here. This is a MIUI style battery bar. Gives you a battery bar at the top of your status bar. And of course you can change the color on that as well. You can also change the alignment. In other words, standard alignment will go from the right down to the left as your battery life decreases. Centered mirror will start from the outside and shrink in. Let's hide that for now. Also, for those of you not already running the ROM, uh, we have a heads up. Heads up is a little pop-up of the notifications that you receive in your status bar. So that no matter what app you're in, even if it's full screen or whatever, you get a nice little pop-up. Someone sends you a message or whatever. You'll see I removed the do not disturb setting because I'm having issues getting that to properly work. So, you're just gonna have to live with it. Either you use heads up or you don't for now, till I get that working. Of course, again, this is for people who are not running the ROM currently. You have all your clock options. You can either have a clock or don't have a clock. Put it in the center. Choose whether or not you want to display or don't want to display the AM and PM, and as well as dates. You can choose your date format. You know, basically whatever you want for a date. I don't like the date. I'm going to get rid of the date. Not a whole lot in the way of lock screen options here. Basically just volume rocker controls. I don't have the lock screen targets ported over to KitKat yet. And of course you have your miscellaneous options here. This is for those who don't like to see the input method in their status bar. In other words, if you have multiple keyboards installed, you get that little pop-up that allows you to switch it. Some people find that annoying. I personally find that kind of annoying. So, also you can disable your CRT animation. For those of you who don't know what CRT is, it's this little video like type TV turning off animation when you turn your screen off. You see it didn't do it that time. And that time it did. Alright, and you have the option to wake or don't wake when you plug it or unplug it from your USB cord, if that, bothers you. In my ROM, I don't think Jason has this in Sinless, but you have a little updater application. Basically just tells you a little bit about the ROM. There's also a you can check for ROM updates. I try to keep that updated. If there's an update, I can push it out to the people. You'll get a little notification in your status bar about an update to the ROM if you're already running the ROM. Some themes and mods. There's nothing really big in here. I really don't have a lot of themers theming this out, so basically right now it just has the option to go back to the stock launcher, and then inverted MMS and inverted dialer. You can change your settings of the admin here, as well as going to our homepage and our forums. And donation link is a direct link to Team Nocturnal's donation. Alright, so that's oh, real quick, before I sign out, I added some stuff to the advanced power menu. So you'll see when you click on your APM now, when you hold your power button down, you're going to have some nice little options available to you. And we updated the icon for screenshot. It's no longer an ugly grayish color like it was previously. The old icon wasn't correct. So Yep, that works. Um, so we also, those icons that I showed you, the battery icons, we also updated those. They're all, XX HDPI, uh, now, so they'll be all the right size, nice good size for, your screen. People talking to me. Um, alright, I added a notification, like a little toast pop-up that'll pop up when you delete a screenshot now. It'll tell you. It'll pop up. Screenshot deleted. I put that in there just to let you know it actually worked, I guess. Those are all the features that I have for right now. Getting features into the GPE is not as easy as building a ROM from source and cherry picking in features. I have to write small E code for everything I put in here, so I'm trying to get some new stuff in here for you guys. It's a lot more time consuming of a process, so bear with me and I will get more as time permits. And I hope y'all enjoy the ROM. I certainly enjoy making it, and I hope you're all having a nice weekend.